Hey everybody, welcome back. As promised, I have box 2 of 2019 Panini Prizm Draft Picks Baseball. If you didn't watch yesterday's break, then I will just do a quick recap. 5 autographs, 5 packs, so 1 autograph per. I didn't study the checklist before I opened the first box, and now that I have, it's not quite as strong as I would have hoped. But you know, we don't really know what these guys are going to pan out to be. You just never know. So it's easy to sit and say that it's not strong now, but in 5 years from now, these may be highly coveted boxes. Who knows? So take it with a grain of salt. But this is box 2. Box 1 was pretty, I felt pretty good. All 5 autographs were parallel versions, no base autos and no points. I was afraid with 5 autos and a Panini product that points were going to be at least in one of the packs, and that was not the case, so I was pretty pleased about that. And yeah, I think the shortest print card out of the first box was numbered to 18, so it'd be kind of cool to pull something a little bit lower than that, maybe even. We'll see. But again, it's kind of hard to argue with all 5 autos being parallels. Alright. Davis Wenzel, Matt Wallner, All-Americans. There's a Corbin Carroll green. Green is not numbered. Cameron Cannon red. Josh Wolf orange. None of those are numbered. JJ Bleday to 30. So blue is to 30 autograph. And a Vanderbilt, who has traditionally has good baseball teams. Tyler Callahan and Reese Hines. I'm not a fan of the pack just loosely floating around in there. I don't like that at all, even though these are sturdier cards than usual because they're chrome. It doesn't mean that they're completely bulletproof. Alright, Crusade, JJ Bleday. It's a Bleday box. Braden Shoemake, Cameron Cannon silver, Michael Toglia blue. There is Brandon Williamson to 49. Logan Davidson auto to 49. I'm trying to remember what this pattern's called. Let's see, hang on. Grab my other box. That is not snakeskin. I've seen Hyper or Mojo. Maybe it's just Hyper. Alright, where were we? Oh, the last 2 cards in that pack were Ryan Garcia and Logan Davidson. I think those were Mojo. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Andrew Vaughn, wouldn't mind pulling an auto of his. George Kirby. There's some more Bleday. JJ Bleday silver. JJ Bleday red. Zach Thompson orange. A Greg Jones autograph out of 30. So nice. Blue again. Rushman Crusade. That has some issues. Something going on with that. Oh no, it just wiped off. It's just some kind of powder. Bryson Stott is the last card there. Alright, next pack is Bobby Witt Jr. Crusade. Will Wilson. A green Kendall Williams. Riley Green All-Americans silver. All-Americans Cameron Cannon. What did we call that? Oh, this is numbered to 75. think this is Hopper. I think. Good grief. John Doxakis to 25. So we have the new leader for short print. And not a bad one to get either. This is what, the Scope. I know it's been called Scope in other Prizm products. I'm hoping it is here too. CJ Abrams and Shea Langoliers. So I'm thinking this box is better than box 1. Because again, all the autographs have been parallels, but we've had 2 numbered to 30 and 1 numbered to 25. So pretty tough to beat. Oh, I thought I saw points. Anthony Volpe, which again has some stuff on there, but it's nothing major. Hunter Bishop. TJ Segema Silver. TJ Red. Kyle Stowers. Oh, I did get points. Dadgummit, I knew that was going to happen. Orange. Well, at least I figured it would, like I said, with so many autographs in one box. At least the first one didn't have that. So 150. Corbin Carroll and Will Wilson, All-Americans. I wish I'd gotten the points earlier in the box though, so I could have at least finished with an autograph. But again, I mean, a solid stack, just full of autos, color, prospect goodness. Kind of tough to beat. It's a lot of fun to open boxes like this. Appreciate you guys watching. I hope you're doing well. Love you, and I will see you all again soon.